fucking disgusting, humid, cloudy day. Got the Lakewood box fan out. Disassembling this so I could take everything out of the front part of the cabinet and clean it. Flyback transformer, as I knocked the screwdriver over, has bad solder joints. The 2 and 1. Hold on, let me see for myself. Yeah, 1 and 2 are really bad. And 9. 8 looks okay though. And there are some bad caps in the vertical circuit, because there's a gap at the bottom and it's stretched out at the top. Here's a screenshot of the video. Everything else looks alright. I used contact cleaner again on the front controls and the vertical hold. But he did the service and normal switch and the sharpness. I did the sharpness again. Browsing Facebook Marketplace listings and came across this thing. And she's ghosting me now. She's not home. I'm gonna clean this thing up though, and I'm happy with what I have. This has a good picture. I like it. Seat looks kind of crappy, and so does that one right there. That one looks bad through the viewfinder. Well, yeah, those two look pretty bad too. And the caps that are bad, I mean, this is where the deflection yoke plugs in, so could be some of those. You can see the plastic shrunk around that, but I think that's kind of a fallacy until I hear otherwise. Not a whole lot of the purple ones. There's a big one. Didn't see that one last time. I saw that smaller one. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. 5, 6. We have 6 purple pissers. Not bad. Wait for this to heat up. Looks like an RCA. Early 80s. I don't have one of those yet. Never had an RCA yet of that size. Actually, yeah, I have, but just not from the 80s. I got one from 78. Delta gun set. That one's not. It's an inline gun. Haven't had one of those. Okay, there we are. And I redid that one. The solder looked kind of crappy. Everything else looks alright. My eyesight's fine, but it would help to have a magnifying headset. Would have saved that GE set. But I would have to get one of those bigger soldering irons to fix the bad solder joints in the tuner. Stupid Thompson tuner on board design. I was in get it done mode, but the solder joints on that resistor right there, they were terrible. Almost burnt to a crisp. Kind of like, well, those were the worst ones. I don't see any of them like it. In a heating area where it gets really hot. See how the solder on that one looks? It says 1 over D402. It looks pretty bad. Just gonna keep looking for them. And we'll be back on camera when I'm done, or if that lady messages me back about this TV yet. Measuring the 33 microfarad at 160 big purple pisser and circuit, and it's dead. I'm going to show you the importance of testing it out of circuit. So let's pull that right now. See, it's fine. That's why I like to pull them out of circuit and test them. Check more caps because these ones are prone to being bad. I found the horizontal output circuit. I cannot find the vertical. There's APC, VIF, SIF, there's video IF, sound IF, and high voltage. A few test points. Of course, I see another one when I turn the camera off. There's chroma right there. Yesterday, I was going to have a console stereo delivered. It's about this wide, maybe 48 inches, but canceled the deal. He wanted $5 for it. It's 4 miles away, but I don't have the means to move it. There's too much shit in this fucking van, so yeah. It's not my shit either. Like all the shit in this garage. All my shit's in my room. Well, some of my stuff's out here. I got 2 picture tubes out back. People have messaged me about that, but they're just wasting my time. They could simply find out what they're asking me by a quick web search. Anyway, I'm going to get back to work. This Jamicon 470 at 25 volt measures better than this one. This one came out of the 1990 Sanyo 25-inch set from 1990. That's from 83, like this set. Not much of a size difference, but this one's better. I didn't know what that compare thing meant on the capacitor wizard thing that Shango and other people use, but let's compare it to another one and see which one's better. So, since this is close to a purple pisser, throw that away. It's a Jamicon I took out of this went by the flyback transformer. It wasn't bad, I just replaced it with a new one just for the hell of it. And the guy gutted the set for the tube, 25-inch Zenith tube for whatever arcade thing. So, dead. Should have took the speakers out of that, they're alright. Here's a vertical circuit, found it. Where's the word? Right there. Cool. Oh, Spatspare vibes, 9 to 5. Even though I don't like country music, but it's whatever. Dead. Here's a Rubicon CEW series, so let's test that. I'm doing it right. Dead on. So, yeah, that one's dead. I know the ESR should be high, but it was reading 0 microfarads. It needs to read 10. This one's fucking perfect, pardon my French. I just get really enthusiastic about vintage shit that still works. The caps are still made, so you know, just like fixing stuff with parts that still work. I want to fix something now, not wait a day, even though Mauser's in Mansfield next day delivery because they're so close. Nothing wrong with any of these caps. Something wrong with that because it's empty. Here's another dead one. Didn't take long to find that one. We have a Nichicon from the VRM series from '99. Those are awesome. That one's not dead. Wish they play an older song. By some miracle, I got that end of the resistor connected to that part of the that side of the capacitor, but I burned the hell out of myself. It's a good enough trade-off for me. It's another one of those days that's just gonna fly by. I'm gonna make a stupid deal. I asked if 25-inch Magnavox set showed up. It was miles away. They want 100 for it to make offer. I offered them 200 to have it delivered. I'm stupid, so I'm gonna see if they replied back. Probably didn't though, but they replied back within 20 minutes, I guess. Oh, look at the 2 solder joints on the right. Holy crap, they're all bad. This Handycam does wonders. Scanning Electron Handycam. That's UXW Bill said one time. He probably likes this song too. Finally have a little one that's not dead. The C609. Here's another dead one, close to it. Just gonna replace it anyway. This one is 4.7 at 25 volt. This resistor is kind of baked, so I gotta zoom in on that so get the value down on video. There's the board, we're done. Disassembling this for cleaning. Here's the speaker. Here's the audio setup, the speaker and the earphone jack. Not sure what the hell that's for. Unless that's a correction magnet for the tube. The tuner is out. Now we have to remove the tube and put it face down on that cloth. And then we can take the cabinet into the backyard or the kitchen. This will fit in the sink perfectly. And scrub it. I know the melamine foam is not taking the finish off, but I'd just like to use soap and warm water. It should work. Got some melamine foam action. Look at that. Before, after. Pretty cool. So the lady with the allegedly RCA TV wants $100 cash. And if she, I told her that I'd move it. So if she breaks it, tries to pull a fast one on me and next the tube, I'll know. So here it is. I should get down in that hole right there. That was weird, it's kind of doing the jerky jerk. Cool, let's let it dry like that. I was just seeing if the melamine foam got all the gunk out, but I gotta go after it again. A little bit right there too. This would be mint if it wasn't me being a dumbass putting that notch right there. Hell, I put a paper towel around the screwdriver. Anyway, here's a Gentech. This thing's quiet. This place back in the day, like in the 60s, had central heat only to begin with. So that's pretty cool. An old school thermostat on the wall. Okay, there we go. Gotta dust it off because the rag I was using is kind of Yeah, look at the silver. No more nicotine stains. It's silver now. It's not a champagne color. Guy sold a few sets too. He has a version of this set where it's got the controls on the right, which I like it. I'm not a fan of this form factor, but I like this set. V Westlife has one, or maybe his is a newer, older model. This is a CT-1110D. In the first video of this, I accidentally I linked to the B version in the database, and this is the D version from '83. So I wonder if V Westlife has the B version. This is the D version. Anyway, that guy's got some rare sets, but it's nothing I can't live without. I should take a picture of this with my face on the screen, where the screen would be. Someone would be like, "Ha, found the retard." Yeah, I'm kind of hard on myself, but I think it's funny. No, I don't hate myself. I mean, I can sometimes, but you know, just like anyone else. Anyway, there's some specs that the melamine foam took off. I'm pointing that down because I'm afraid of phosphor burn, even though it probably takes several hours. Yeah, I didn't scratch the tube either. It's a miracle. So we could at least put the tube back in the set after I figure out where that goes. I gotta scrub the knobs too. So it came out of that standoff type thing right there. Here it is. The picture tube is back in. I had to take it out again because I forgot the degaussing coil. Anyway, it goes between the tube and the bezel. Look at that. It's a night and day difference. No one would pay 20 bucks for this disgusting thing. I would though. Hell, she only wanted to have a $10 delivery fee. That's awesome. Can't complain with that. I'm missing a screw. So I guess I put it in the set where it doesn't belong. And besides that, we're not having any more left. We're not having leftover screws. Yeah, we have nothing connected, whatever. I just want to see if it blows up or not, and it doesn't. Anyway, let me get... Actually, we could just bring this in the house. Let's do that. Knobs in the house, too. Okay, did the repair work? Honestly, I'm 50-50.
I worried for my mother.
Me too.
Sleep due to bladder leakage affected her life.
Oh, hook it up and let it suck you dry.
It's an innovative option.
Oh, it looks good.
Who experience moderate to severe bladder leakage.
Shut up. Oh, it's going to happen to you someday. Yeah, the controls are off because I mess with them. This camera doesn't show it, but man, this looks great, besides the tent. Oh, it's still doing it. Fuck. Are you kidding me? This looks amazing.
Please.
Look at the reds.
It's
like fluorescent orange. In person, it looks like that.
Not keep.
People, please.
Got a damn good picture.
That will put an end to this fighting. All men are brothers.
Brother.
When it comes to those severe storms farther
Damn,
south,
that looks
we still
good.
have that tornado threat, but it is going to be that larger hail threat that we have to watch out for. That level 3 out of 5 throughout Oklahoma, and that does include Oklahoma City up towards Wichita, Kansas as well.
Hey, there we go. It's not distorted at the top. Could use a focus adjustment, maybe. This looks fine. Looks good now. I guess someone did mess with it. Huh. Well, it's better now. Nice. Channel 33, sub-channel 4 is flipping out again, thinking it's 32.6. Oh. That's weird. Is that the next channel to go or what? There's 2 other charged TV channels, which is weird. One they switched to letting you be able to change the aspect ratio. Now it's incorrectly set and won't let you change it. That looks fucking awesome on a CRT. Probably looks good on a plasma too. CSI Miami, the colors are like overdriven.
over
Makes
the
CSI New York looks like it's lacking color. The speaker sounds better than the two stereo speakers that were in the Magnavox. It's like a night and day difference. Way better on this set.
I better prepare a hell
Might not come across on a shitty camera. I mean, camera's good. It's the microphone on this phone that sucks. It sounds good. Colors are more accurate in person, but it looks good. You could tell. Oh, Comet TV's 1080i, by the way. It's like the only 1080i channel I watch. Ooh, Ice Road
Mobile
Truckers.
app with daily news, in-depth feed.
Shut up. Another channel that's incorrectly set.
Well, you might as well know that I'm going to be sleeping in the barn as long as we're here.
I was kind of disappointed my repair didn't work, but apparently it did.
What's so important about you, man?